Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to hide rows in Google Sheets based on cell value. Let's begin. Step 1, filter, and step 2, apps script. Apply step 1, select your table with headers, go to data tab, create filter, and now click to this drop down menu, select yes or no. Example, select yes, and without no, click OK. Again, use no, click OK. And step 2, apps script, go to extensions, apps script, wait some moment. OK, select your account, then type to this function, note this. OK, then run. Permission your Gmail or Google account, then again run.